In a bold move to reinforce both national defense and NATO's northern flank, Denmark has initiated the purchase of modern coastal missile systems, marking a pivotal upgrade to its maritime security strategy. The decision, grounded in the Chief of Defence's strategic recommendation and supported by Denmark's Acceleration Fund, responds directly to rising instability in the Baltic Sea corridor. For the first time since dismantling its mobile Harpoon missile units over 2 decades ago, Denmark is reviving its coastal strike capability. This restoration fills a long-standing gap in the nation's defense posture and is set to re-establish control over the Danish Straits and western Baltic Sea, regions vital for both Denmark's sovereignty and alliance-wide naval mobility between the North and Baltic Seas. Defense Minister Troels Lund Poulsen emphasized the importance of dominating Denmark's maritime zones to ensure freedom of navigation and operational flexibility. With the deployment of these missile batteries, the Danish military will possess the tools to closely surveil maritime activity and, if required, deny hostile access. Poulsen framed the move as critical in light of today's rapidly deteriorating security environment. The shift comes amid growing concerns across Europe regarding Russian military behavior and its intensified presence near NATO territories. As naval tensions escalate, Denmark's geographic position places it at a critical juncture for safeguarding Western access to the Baltic. The new missile systems are expected to serve as a frontline deterrent, ensuring vital sea routes remain secure. General Michael W. Hildgaard, acting Chief of Defense, labeled the acquisition urgently needed, pointing to its value in shoring up Denmark's maritime deterrence. He stressed that these advanced missile systems will allow Denmark to defend its waters decisively against evolving maritime threats. This development sends a firm message that Denmark stands ready to secure its coastlines, Hildgaard asserted. Though the Ministry of Defense has yet to formally confirm the specific platform, military insiders indicate that Kongsberg's Naval Strike Missile, NSM, coastal defense system is the top candidate. Renowned for its precision, versatility, and mobility, the NSM can engage both naval and land targets over long distances, making it a potent asset in modern coastal warfare. The procurement is being financed through the 50 billion DKK Acceleration Fund, which runs through 2026 and is intended to fast-track critical defense initiatives. The Coastal Defense Project exemplifies the fund's mission, rapidly enhancing operational readiness in response to modern threat dynamics. Authorities have also hinted that an interim solution may be introduced before the full deployment is achieved, though no firm timeline has been released. Denmark's investment transcends hardware. It's a recalibration of its defense doctrine and a strategic signal to allies and adversaries alike. By reclaiming coastal strike capabilities, Denmark not only strengthens its own territorial defense but also fortifies the collective security architecture of Northern Europe. In an era of uncertain geopolitics, Copenhagen is making one thing clear: its coastal defenses are coming back stronger, faster, and with unwavering resolve.